I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. Activating an ESIM on your Pixel 2026 with Koodo is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Check compatibility. Ensure your Pixel 2026 is unlocked and compatible with Koodo's ESIM service. You can verify this on Koodo's website or by contacting customer support. Step 2. Get your ESIM activation code. Log into your Koodo account or visit a Koodo store to obtain your ESIM activation code. This code is essential for the activation process. Step 3. Open settings on your Pixel. On your Pixel 2026, go to the Settings app, then tap on Network and Internet. This is where you'll manage your SIM settings. Step 4. Add mobile plan. In the Network and Internet section, select Add mobile plan. Here, you will be prompted to scan the QR code or enter the activation code you received from Koodo. Step 5. Follow on-screen instructions. Once you've entered the activation code or scanned the QR code, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Make sure to restart your phone to finalize the activation. If you encounter a no service message, double-check that the ESIM is selected as your active plan. Now you should be all set up with your ESIM on Koodo. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Koodo as customer support for assistance. Enjoy your new mobile experience.